A taste of the future. 3D printing enters the kitchen. Imagine a world where your dinner is printed, not cooked. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. It's the exciting reality of 3D printed food. This technology is rapidly changing how we think about food, from production to consumption. In this video, we'll uncover the history of 3D printed food and see how artificial intelligence is adding its own unique flavor to this culinary revolution. We'll journey from the early experiments to today's cutting-edge advancements. Get ready to explore a world of personalized nutrition, sustainable practices, and a whole lot of delicious possibilities. Fasten your seatbelts, food lovers, because the future of food is about to get very interesting. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the history of 3D printed food. We'll uncover the pioneers, the breakthroughs, and the challenges that have shaped this fascinating field. And trust me, you won't want to miss a single bite of this story. Baby steps, from plastic printers to chocolate machines. The story of 3D printed food begins, surprisingly, not in a kitchen, but in a tech lab. The earliest 3D printers, clunky machines from the 1980s, were designed to print with plastics and resins, not food. These early printers were the dinosaurs of the 3D printing world, large, expensive, and not exactly known for their culinary skills. But like any good invention, the potential of 3D printing began to capture imaginations. People started to wonder, what if we could print something other than plastic? Could this technology be used to create something truly revolutionary, something that could change the way we eat? The answer, as it turned out, was a resounding yes. The early 2000s saw the first tentative steps into the world of edible printing. Chocolate, with its low melting point and moldable nature, became an early favorite. These early experiments were basic, but they hinted at a future where complex and delicious foods could be printed on demand. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. Space food and beyond. NASA takes 3D printing to orbit. Leave it to NASA, always at the forefront of innovation, to recognize the potential of 3D printed food. In the vast expanse of space where every ounce of cargo matters, the ability to print food on demand was a game-changer. Astronauts need nutritious and palatable food to stay healthy and motivated during long missions. In 2013, NASA partnered with a company called BHEX to create the Chef 3D printer. This marvel of engineering could print a pizza, ready to be baked, right there on the International Space Station. Imagine the astronauts' delight at having a freshly printed pizza, a taste of home, millions of miles away from Earth. But the implications of 3D printed food extended far beyond satisfying astronauts' cravings. The technology held immense potential for addressing food scarcity, reducing waste, and creating personalized diets. The space race had sparked a food revolution, and the possibilities seemed endless. Tailored meals, personalized plates, 3D printing for health. Imagine a world where food is not just fuel, but a form of personalized medicine. This is the promise of 3D printed food in healthcare. For people with specific dietary needs, from allergies to swallowing difficulties, 3D printing offers a way to create meals that are both nutritious and enjoyable. Imagine a child with a peanut allergy being able to enjoy a peanut butter sandwich, the bread and peanut butter carefully crafted from alternative ingredients using a 3D printer. Or an elderly patient with difficulty swallowing enjoying a meal that is both visually appealing and easy to consume. The ability to customize texture, flavor, and nutritional content opens up a world of possibilities for hospitals, nursing homes, and individuals managing dietary restrictions. 3D printed food empowers people to take control of their health, one delicious bite at a time. Beyond the plate, into the future. Chefs embrace 3D printing. The culinary world, always eager to embrace innovation, has also welcomed 3D printing with open arms. Chefs are artists, and like any artist, they crave new tools to express their creativity. 3D food printing offers chefs an unparalleled level of precision and control over the creation of their culinary masterpieces. Imagine a world where chefs can craft intricate, edible sculptures, each bite a delicate balance of flavor and texture. Imagine delicate sugar sculptures that dissolve on the tongue, releasing complex layers of sweetness, or savory dishes with hidden compartments of flavor, a symphony of taste with every mouthful. This is not just about aesthetics, it's about pushing the boundaries of culinary art. 3D printing gives chefs the freedom to experiment, to play with form and function in ways never before imagined. The results are not just delicious, they are breathtaking works of edible art. Printing bacon by the ton. Industrial-scale food production. The ability of 3D printers to create complex shapes and designs has not gone unnoticed by the food industry. Companies are now exploring the potential of 3D printing to produce food on a massive scale, potentially revolutionizing food manufacturing as we know it. One example is the Spanish company Coquus. They're on a mission to create plant-based bacon using 3D printing, and they're not talking about small batches. Their goal is to produce a staggering 1,000 tons of 3D printed plant-based bacon per year. This large-scale production could have a significant impact on our food system. It could make plant-based alternatives more accessible, reduce our reliance on animal agriculture, and create a more sustainable food chain. The AI chef, flavor and texture, perfected by algorithms. Artificial intelligence, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, is adding its own special ingredient to the 3D printed food revolution. Imagine an AI chef that can analyze your dietary needs, preferences, and even your DNA to create personalized meals tailored just for you. AI can also optimize 3D printed food for flavor and texture. By analyzing the molecular structure of different ingredients, AI algorithms can predict how those ingredients will interact during the printing process. This ensures that the final product is not only visually appealing, but also bursts with flavor. Imagine biting into a 3D printed steak, the texture perfectly mimicking the fibrous strands of meat, the flavor rich and savory, all thanks to the magic of AI. This level of sophistication is transforming 3D printed food from a novelty to a culinary game-changer. A world of possibilities. Personalized nutrition and beyond. The future of 3D printed food is bursting with possibilities, and AI is leading the charge. Imagine a world where you have a personal AI nutritionist at your beck and call. This AI assistant could track your eating habits, analyze your nutritional needs, and even create personalized recipes tailored to your unique metabolism. But the potential goes far beyond personalized nutrition. Imagine 3D printed food being used to combat food waste by using leftover ingredients to create delicious and nutritious meals. Or imagine 3D printed food providing sustenance in disaster relief efforts, creating meals on demand in areas where traditional cooking is impossible. The possibilities are as limitless as our imaginations. As 3D printing technology continues to evolve, and as AI becomes even more sophisticated, we can expect to see even more innovative and exciting applications emerge. Embracing the food revolution, a delicious future awaits. The journey of 3D printed food, from those early chocolate experiments to the AI-powered kitchens of the future, has been nothing short of remarkable. This technology has the potential to revolutionize our relationship with food, making it more sustainable, personalized, and exciting. As with any new technology, there are challenges to address. We need to ensure that 3D printed food is accessible to everyone, not just a select few. We need to address concerns about job displacement and the potential environmental impact of large-scale 3D food production. But the potential benefits are too great to ignore. 3D printed food has the power to address some of the world's most pressing challenges, from food scarcity to malnutrition. It has the power to empower individuals to take control of their health and well-being. And it has the power to make food more delicious and exciting than ever before. So, let's embrace this food revolution and look forward to a future where everyone has access to delicious, nutritious, and sustainable food, printed one layer at a time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.